Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Looking at it on YouTube and I was like, man, I seen where it's like a little clip or something that goes on this right here.
Yeah.
You already got it?
Yeah, I already got it. It's right there.
Okay.
Leave it down there.
Leave it there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
I was gonna put it in the bag.
You just leave it right there. It'll be all right.
All right. What you gotta do to get that off?
Just pop it on there with a pair of pliers or a screwdriver.
So you know how to deal with carburetors pretty good, you just don't rebuild them.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good to know, because she just wants this car running where it can at least get inspected and get tags on it.
Yeah.
And have it dependable enough where her and her son can ride around it. She want to put an AC on here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Are you going to put me on TikTok?
YouTube. You don't want to be on there?
I don't care.
You already been on there a few times. Just get it done, Bruce. That's what we call you on my channel.
You don't get on TikTok?
Oh, I'm always on TikTok. I love it. Yeah. That's my favorite.
I like watching it, but I ain't never put nothing on there. There's some cool shit on there.
Man, it is. I wish we would have been over here in the daytime. It would have been better for what I'm trying to do.
Oh, yeah?
As far as filming. It's all good. As far as filming goes. I see you got that boy Cash in there.
What? Come back tomorrow or no? You said it'd be Wednesday?
Yeah, probably about Wednesday. Look at Cash in there.
Yeah, Cash wouldn't let me go without.
Look at him. That's a big ass damn dog. What'd you think he weighed? About 85 pounds?
Shit, 110.
Jeez.
Hey, I need a 10mm socket. I need a ring on it.
I got you.
Okay, I got everything else on it.
All right, let me go grab it. Grab this 10mm. 10mm, my little cheap Pittsburgh, man. So, finna go ahead and get this carburetor pulled, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna be coming back, and I'm gonna show y'all the whole process what it takes to get this shit rebuilt and get it back on. So y'all stay tuned. Man, I got a Mrs. Tropicana, man, and just like any other day, man, something has to happen. So I'm in the car, man. I already know I've been having suspension issues in the front, but damn, now I got this low tire light that came on, and it's raining. I'm taking this carburetor for my homegirl. I gotta go to a spot, I think it's called Cedar Hill. When I typed it in, it was like 55 minutes. So I'm currently stuck at the QT. I know it's not say stuck, but I'm at QT. I'm gonna get some gas. I'm gonna throw some air in it, But it's showing me right now that all 3 of my tires are flat. According to the standard, and one probably has too much air pressure. But I'm just like, just filling out my front end because it'll make like a popping sound. So I'm just spinning the wheel right now. I'm trying to see what that is because I know there's a lot of something going on in the front end, but I'm gonna go ahead and just flip it around so y'all can see what I'm going through right now. My favorite place to get gas at. That's what we're paying right now here in Fort Worth, Texas. Oh man, all this paperwork, all kinds of other stuff, man. Just, you know, paychecks, just everything. Work instructions, just the hinge that blowed off at the barbershop. The wind is yanked. It wasn't a windy day, but I mean, it wasn't a rainy day, but it was damn sure windy. So my front door needs a lot of work.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
But I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear that in that video, the GPS. So we still en route. Ain't nothing gonna stop it. It's Friday. I should be cutting hair, but I'm doing some body shop stuff. I'm trying to get this car inside the shop. TooterBugs. Possibly have a Mustang coming soon. Real similar to Mr. Tropicana, the S550. If we land that deal and do really serious, y'all be seeing that. If not, hey, we gonna keep it pushing, baby. You know, no matter how it goes, we gonna keep it pushing, man. Me and Darius, we gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna get off this. I'm gonna get back with y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all just how it is. A rainy day today, miserable, but we gonna make the best of it. We gonna get this done for my home girl, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all, though. Man, so what is this, though, man? It's a quattro jet?
Yeah, quarter jet. Of course, it says it. Right
Yeah.
there. And this one's, what year did you say your vehicle was?
Well, see, this is a 76 Skylark, but it's a motor out of a truck, I believe.
It's actually a car carburetor. Now, it's off of 79.
79?
Yeah, so it comes off of Camaro. Now, this is hot air choke, but
Okay.
you've got it blocked off. That's not going to work.
No, I don't have it. I'm just talking about, I never did no motor work on this car.
Right. Well, the thing is, this either has to have a tube to make it function, or you have to add electric choke to it, one or the other.
Okay,
It can't be blocked off unless you're going electric choke.
okay,
It takes tubes that heat the choke to make it open.
okay.
And without the tubes, that's not going to work. So you don't have those tubes on the intake or anything?
No, sir, this is my mechanic that works on them. He just took it off.
Okay.
And you know, like I said, I don't know nothing about it. So you said this is what?
Well,
The choke.
This should have a tube that
Yeah.
goes to the intake, another tube that goes to the back of the carburetor. Takes
Oh.
air out of the air cleaner, it heats it, takes it to the choke to heat the choke to make the choke work.
I believe it was just these 2 lines that he took off. I think that was
But that's
it.
a fuel line. But see, this one that's capped off, that
Yeah.
goes to the choke.
Okay.
And that's been capped. So
Yeah.
someone's not using it.
Yeah,
So
I
it
got
does not
you.
work.
Yeah, I got you on that.
We can add a used electric choke to it if you wanted, and they'll have to run a hot wire to it. If the
Okay.
mechanic can't do that, you need another mechanic.
Okay.
It's very simple to run a hot wire off the back of the alternator to it to make it function.
So, man, you saying ain't nothing wrong with this thing?
Well, right now it's wrong. We need to fix it.
Okay.
This is not going to work the way this is.
Yeah.
It will not function this way.
Okay.
But we can leave it capped because they've lost the tubes, is what it looks like.
Okay.
Trying to find those is very expensive, so it's simpler to leave it capped, put an electric choke on it, and then your mechanic will just have to run a hot wire.
Okay, cool. So you finna get me right.
I'm sorry?
That's what you're saying, you finna get it right.
Yeah, that way it'll function like it's supposed to.
Okay, because you had me
Right now-
nervous for a minute. Now I can understand running the hot wire. I got you.
Yeah.
Just keep it simple so I can explain it to the person I need to get done.
Right. Well, he can call me too if he needs help, but
Okay.
like I said,
No problem.
Obviously, it was not hooked up. So
But you gonna probably be gone the time he can call you because he could be working till about like 7 or 8.
Well, this thing's not gonna be ready till Monday.
Yeah, but I'm just saying
Okay.
though, like if he had to call you
Oh, he works in the evenings.
up until the evening,
Right.
and then he come to my shop and do side work for me.
Well, if he's got time, he can call me during the day or something.
Okay.
You know, I mean, if he needs help, he'll
All right.
find a way to call me. But it's not hard.